July 1st, 2023. I purchased this engine. My name's Adam. Hi. I purchased this engine about a year ago for $2,500 and had everything assembled and put on it and installed for $2,500. I got $5,000 into this thing and I drove it about 50 miles and it blew up. Dropped a valve or something. It was a used engine from the mechanic at the Volkswagen shop. We didn't know how long it would last, so we gave it a shot. The plan today is I will take all these tools and I will strip everything that's on it, down to the valve covers, those little black things on the end, put everything in boxes marked, put everything in plastic bags, write down the order in which I'm doing things, and then I'll be able to put the engine, when I get the remanufactured engine, I will be able to put everything on it myself. That's the plan. Here goes.